Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick Vegas tutorial. So if you ever noticed those tabs around here, you probably may saw those X's, and if you are like me, you are pretty much curious and you pressed like this, maybe this, maybe this, and maybe this, and you were left with only the video preview screen. When I started editing again, that was around 7 days ago. I started my project and everything, and when I needed to add an effect, that blur effect, I was trying to find it here, but there was none. So I was thinking if I reinstall my Vegas, it will come back, but no, it didn't for some reason, I don't know. And I went on YouTube, searched for my problem, but I couldn't find a video that explains how to add those tabs back. So that's why I'm here. I found it myself and I want to show you how to fix it. First, what you need is to go to View, then Window. You see those tabs, like those are all extensions you can add. It's up to you, like you don't need to add all of those. Like I need project media, and you see like it's just added, but don't worry, I will explain later. Like add what you need first, and then we will work our way. Right now, if you want to add effect and see, like you can't do it for some reason. And if you hold Ctrl and left click the video preview, it will pop up. So you drag it to this place, hold Ctrl, remove the finger from left button, and that's it. You have it. Like it's here. Make it however you want. Trimmer also needs to be with the video preview. So again, Ctrl, left click, drag it, drag it, just like this. Left click again, and it's all good. Right now you have the transitions here, all the things you need, and this is basically it. I searched for 7 days to find this fix, and I couldn't. So if there are guys who doesn't know how to fix, like this is the, I don't know how it's called, like, but I will call it view window, because this is the cure. Like all you need is here. So if I helped you, I'm glad. If I didn't, like what you even doing with your life, I showed everything. If you have a different problem, try on Reddit or something. I had this and I even couldn't find the solution on Reddit. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like and maybe subscribe. I don't do tutorials this often, but if you need something, I can help you. And that's it. See ya.